I don't know what battery I put inside this IKEA drill last time, but it's not performing very well. Maybe it's a weaker battery or whatever. But here I have a cell from the drill battery that was specifically made for electric drills, and it had five of these inside. I used three in a power bank, but I have two left, which I will put into two of my drills. 2000 milliamp hours, and hopefully this will perform a lot better, because not every type of cell is appropriate for drills for electric motors, because when they start up they require a lot more current than the rated on the sticker. So hopefully this is a very good cell and will work better. Do I have a screw here? Oh, I didn't unscrew it last time, so let's see if I can get away with it. Not uh, unscrewed. I mean screwed. How do you say that? Not unscrewed. Yeah, let's remove all the screws here. And hey, is there a screw here? Yep. I'm not using the most appropriate tool for this, but it works. I didn't tighten the screws very much last time, because I knew I had to go back in there for the battery replacement, or to replace this stupid plug which needs 5 volts, but it's not micro USB, it's not type C, it's barrel jack. Why? That's so last century or previous century, what do you call that? So let's see. I don't know what kind of battery I put in there. I just measured one that's kind of good capacity, but capacity is not everything with drills. Oh, the green one. Oh yeah, this is from a power bank. Okay. Yeah, let's take this one out. This is 9 watt hours, so just below 2000 milliamp hours. So yeah, let's remove this one. Come on. Why isn't it coming off? Okay. So I think I'll put this one into a Bluetooth speaker, because it's not appropriate for drills. So yeah. Oh, wait. I just noticed. It's 3.6 volts and this is 3.7. What does that mean? Whatever. So yeah, let's put this one aside and put in the new one. This was charged, I think, only once, and then I left it like that. So the negative goes here. I left on. Oh, I don't need all this stuff here. Let's cut it off. Like that. Let's put some solder on it. Like that. Negative. Come on. Yeah, that's fine. And the positive. Right here. right into my face. Crap. So this will be, nah, it's not in the most appropriate place, but yeah, let's pull on the cable some more. I mean, on the wire. And yeah, maybe I'll have to spin it around and like that, so the positive reaches better. And yeah, let's solder it. Some more solder. It's better to have more solder than less. And like that. Okay. That sounds a lot better. I mean, not good because it's kind of worn out. The gears are worn out. But yeah, much better than the 3.6 volt battery. So this is 3.7. We'll see if the electronics will charge it fully. We'll have to measure it sometime, but I don't want to measure it now. I don't care that much. I just want it to function properly for emergencies. And yeah, this will fit. This doesn't come in contact with anything, but yeah, I'll put the piece of paper back. It's from an aspirin. This will protect your heart and the battery. So yeah, like that. Okay, let's put the wire into its place here and close it up. And unfortunately, there's no place for a 2170 cell. That was my original plan, to buy one for like $4. There's a place in town that disassembles Tesla batteries, and they sell the cells for all types of cells for $4. So I was planning on that, but yeah, this one's fine. I got the whole battery pack for $5 or $4, whatever. So yeah, I'll keep battery hunting. But if all else fails, then I'll buy Tesla cells next time. But it won't fit here, so maybe a Model S cell. Yeah, those are optimized for electric motors. You can bet your ass. Come on, why doesn't this close? What is not closing there? Oh, this needs to go a bit farther, or it can bend down. It doesn't matter. Like that. Okay, then it will have enough space. Let's put it together. And yeah, hopefully this will work a lot better, like new, because it's a drill battery in a drill. So yeah, that's the best combination. Crappy batteries should go into crappy products like Bluetooth speakers. And yeah, where does, oh, the shorter screws go in the front and the longer one goes here. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll do something else in the next one.